MacBook tips and tricks. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Shop SmartLink, your go-to channel for smart tech tips and tricks. Today, I'm sharing 80 awesome MacBook tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your device. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, I've got something for you. Let's dive right in. Here are some practical MacBook tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and overall experience. 1. Use Spotlight for quick searches and calculations. Press CMD spacebar to open Spotlight. You can search files, apps, or even do quick calculations, conversions e.g. currency, units, and check the weather. 2. Take screenshots like a pro. CMD Shift 3, full screen screenshot. CMD Shift 4, select a specific area. CMD Shift 5, open screenshot options for full screen, specific windows, or recording. 3. Split screen for multitasking. Hover over the green button in the top left corner of an app window and select either tile window to left-right to enter split screen mode. 4. Access emoji keyboard. Quickly press Ctrl CMD space to bring up the emoji and symbol picker anywhere you type. 5. Customize the touch bar for MacBooks with Touch Bar. Go to System Settings, Keyboard, Customize Touch Bar to add shortcuts you frequently use. 6. Enable hot corners. Go to System Settings, Desktop, and Dock Hot Corners. Assign tasks e.g. Show Desktop, Start Screensaver to each corner for quicker navigation. 7. Master trackpad gestures. Use gestures like 3-finger swipe up, opens Mission Control. Pinch with thumb and 3 fingers, opens Launchpad. 3-finger swipe left-right, switch between desktops or full screen apps. 8. Use focus mode for productivity. Set up focus modes via System Settings. Focus to filter notifications and apps based on your activity. 9. Leverage Universal Clipboard. Copy text or images on your iPhone, iPad. Then paste them on your MacBook using CMDV. Requires handoff enabled in settings. 10. Optimize battery health. Go to System Settings, Battery, and enable optimized battery charging to extend battery lifespan. 11. Quick preview files with spacebar. Select a file and press spacebar to preview it without opening. 12. Use Siri for quick commands. Activate Siri with CMD space and give voice commands like setting reminders, searching files, or checking schedules. 13. Schedule night shift for better eyes. Go to System Settings, Displays Night Shift to reduce blue light at night and make the screen easier on the eyes. 14. Set up auto unlock with Apple Watch if you own an Apple Watch. Enable this feature in System Settings, Security and Privacy for seamless unlocking. 15. Organize files with stacks. Right-click on your desktop and select Use Stacks to group files by type for a cleaner workspace. Here are more MacBook tips and tricks to further enhance your workflow and enjoyment. 16. Use dictation to type hands-free. Enable dictation in System Settings, Keyboard Dictation. Press the FN globe key twice to start dictating instead of typing. 17. Quickly force quit unresponsive apps. Press CMD Option Escape to bring up the Force Quit menu and close unresponsive apps. 18. Pin frequently used items to the dock. Drag and drop your favorite apps, folders, or even documents to the dock for instant access. 19. Use Finder tags for better file organization. Right-click a file and assign a color-coded tag for easier categorization and search. 20. Access hidden Mac settings with Option key. Holding the Option key often reveals hidden options in menus, like extra details in Wi-Fi settings or volume adjustments. 21. Utilize Safari's powerful features. Tab groups. Organize tabs into groups for different tasks. Picture-in-picture. Right-click twice on a video to watch it in a small floating window while multitasking. 22. Preview any website or link in Safari. Hover over a link and press Force Touch Delete. Press on the trackpad to preview the web page without opening it. 23. Save battery with Activity Monitor. Open Activity Monitor, search it in Spotlight to check apps draining battery and quit unnecessary processes. 24. Use Sidecar with your iPad. Turn your iPad into a secondary display by enabling Sidecar. Go to System Settings, Displays, Add Display, then select your iPad. 25. Master Quick Note. Activate Quick Note by moving your cursor to the bottom right corner of the screen or press FNQ. Jot down ideas without opening the Notes app. 26. Create keyboard shortcuts for any command. Go to System Settings, Keyboard Shortcuts, and add custom shortcuts for frequently used commands in any app. 27. Edit PDFs in Preview. Use the Preview app to annotate, sign, and edit PDFs without third-party software. 28. Use Focus Text Selection. Double-click to select a word, triple-click to select a paragraph, and quadruple-click to select an entire document. 29. Lock your screen instantly. Press Ctrl+CMD-Q to quickly lock your MacBook screen. 30. Install apps quickly with Spotlight. Type the name of an app in Spotlight. Then press CMD Return to open its App Store page. 31. Use AirDrop to transfer files. Quickly share files between Apple devices by right-clicking on a file and selecting Share AirDrop. 32. Use Terminal for advanced tweaks. Open Terminal for quick commands. Kill dock, kill all dock resets the dock if it's glitchy. Show hidden files. Defaults right com.apple. Finder Apple. Show all files. True. Kill all Finder. 33. Unlock advanced screenshot features while in screenshot mode. CMD Shift 5. Press Options to set timers, change the save location, or exclude mouse pointers. 34. Use text snippets for faster typing. Create text shortcuts in System Settings, Keyboard Text. For example, type ONG to expand it to On My Way. 35. Use Smart Folders for dynamic file organization in Finder. Create a smart folder that dynamically updates based on criteria, e.g., files created today or specific file types. 36. Record your screen with QuickTime. Open QuickTime Player, go to File, New Screen Recording, and record your screen or a portion of it. 37. Easily find large files. Open Finder, press CMDF, and set criteria to locate large files, e.g., size greater than 500 megabytes. 38. Customize file previews in Finder. Use View Show Preview in Finder to quickly see metadata for files like images, PDFs, and videos. 39. Enable Hey Siri for hands-free use. Go to System Settings, Siri and Spotlight, and enable Listen for Hey Siri. 40. Use Automator for repeated tasks. Automator lets you create custom workflows, such as renaming multiple files at once or converting file formats. 41. Use Finder Quick Actions. Right-click on a file and explore quick actions like rotating images, creating PDFs, or trimming videos directly in Finder. 42. Turn your MacBook into a Wi-Fi hotspot. Go to System Settings, Sharing, Internet Sharing to share your MacBook's internet connection. 43. Customize battery icon for quick insights. Go to System Settings, Control Center, and set the battery percentage to always show in the menu bar. 44. Adjust volume in fine increments. Hold Shift Option while pressing the volume keys for more precise control. 45. Use virtual desktops. Press Ctrl up arrow to access mission control. Then create new desktops for better organization. Here are even more MacBook tips and tricks to supercharge your usage. And uncover hidden features. 46. Use handoff between devices. Start a task on your iPhone or iPad and continue on your Mac. For example, open a web page on Safari on your iPhone, and it will appear in your Mac's dock. 47. Customize Finder sidebar. Go to Finder settings sidebar and add or remove shortcuts to frequently used locations for quicker navigation. 48. Use Command tab to switch between apps. Press CMD tab to toggle between open applications. Hold CMD and tap tab to cycle through apps. Press Q while holding CMD to quit an app in the switcher. 49. Drag multiple items at once. Select multiple files or folders by holding CMD to pick individual items, or Shift to select arrange, then drag them together. 50. Use Do Not Disturb on Demand. Press Option and click the Control Center icon in the menu bar to quickly toggle Do Not Disturb mode. 51. Preview recent documents from the dock. Right-click or two-finger click an app in the dock to see recently opened files. 52. Use Reader Mode in Safari. Click the Reader Mode icon. Looks like lines of text in the URL bar for a distraction-free reading experience without ads. 53. Create custom workflows with Shortcuts app. The Shortcuts app allows you to automate tasks like renaming multiple files, organizing folders, or sending pre-formatted emails. 54. Enhance accessibility with Zoom and VoiceOver. Go to System Settings Accessibility to enable features like Zoom magnifies the screen for better visibility. VoiceOver provides spoken descriptions of what's on your screen. 55. Record audio notes. Quickly use voice memos to record quick ideas, meetings, or reminders with the built-in mic. 56. Quickly look up definitions or translations. Select a word or phrase, then tap Force Touch. Press hard on trackpad or press CMD Ctrl-D to see its definition or translation. 57. Optimize Wi-Fi connection. Hold Option and click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar to see detailed network information like signal strength, RSSI, and noise levels. 58. Add widgets to your desktop. Swipe right with two fingers to open Notification Center. Then scroll down and click Edit Widgets to add useful tools like weather, notes, or reminders. 59. Use Terminal to say text out loud. Open Terminal and type, say hello. Welcome to your MacBook. The Mac will read the text aloud. 60. Free up space with storage management. Go to System Settings General Storage to identify large files. Optimize storage by automatically moving old files to iCloud. 61. Pin tabs in Safari. Right-click on a tab and select Pin tab to keep frequently visited websites easily accessible. 62. Use iCloud Keychain for password management. Let your Mac remember and autofill passwords securely via iCloud Keychain. Enable it in System Settings Passwords. 63. Access system preferences. Quickly use CMD spacebar to search for a setting instead of browsing through menus. 64. Create smart mailboxes in Mail. Organize emails automatically by setting up smart mailboxes based on criteria like sender, subject, or date. 65. Mute tabs in Safari. Look for the speaker icon on a tab and click it to mute noisy tabs. 66. Edit videos with QuickTime. Trim videos, combine clips, or export to different formats using QuickTime Player. 67. Enable tap to click on the trackpad. Go to System Settings Trackpad and enable tap to click for easier navigation. 68. Create a bootable USB installer. Use the disk utility and terminal commands to create a bootable macOS USB installer for recovery purposes. 69. Annotate screenshots and PDFs after taking a screenshot. Click the thumbnail to annotate using tools like text, shapes, or your signature. 70. Securely delete files. Move files to trash. Then hold Cmd-Shift-Delete to permanently delete without leaving traces. 71. Schedule your MacBook to start or shut down. Go to System Settings, Energy Saver, and set a schedule for your MacBook to turn on or off automatically. 72. Use Advanced Search in Finder. Press CMD-F in Finder to search with filters like file type, date created, or size. 73. Quickly change audio output. Hold Option and click the volume icon in the menu bar to switch audio output between speakers, headphones, or other devices. 74. Create and use aliases for shortcuts. Right-click a file or folder, select Make Alias, and place it anywhere for quick access. 75. Check weather from the menu bar. Use Siri or add a weather widget to your desktop for real-time updates. 76. Use advanced clipboard features. Install a clipboard manager app like Paste or Alfred to save multiple copied items and paste them later. 77. Install macOS updates efficiently. Go to System Settings, General Software Update to enable automatic updates, ensuring your Mac is always up to date. 78. Customize the login screen. Change your wallpaper and add a personalized message by editing settings in System Settings Lock Screen. 79. Use focus filters in apps with focus modes. Customize how apps behave during specific focus settings, e.g., silence notifications in Messages or limit Safari tabs. 80. Learn macOS keyboard navigation. Enable full keyboard access in System Settings Accessibility. Keyboard to navigate your Mac entirely via keyboard shortcuts. Host sitting at the desk, smiling at the camera. Background music fades in. And there you have it, 80 amazing MacBook tips and tricks to make your life easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Shop Smart Link and hit the bell icon so you never miss our smart tech tips. Got a favorite MacBook tip? Share it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.